Hi guys, it's Tracy here with Kokokahn Essential Oils, and I wanted to talk to you today about essential oils for stress and anxiety. I know I'm feeling a little bit, and I know everybody else is too with this whole coronavirus and all the new normals that we're dealing with. So I wanted to give you guys some tools that can help you to reduce some of that anxiety and stress, help you stay grounded, maybe in the present moment a little bit more, instead of worrying too much about what's going to happen. So right here we have all of our stress and anxiety essential oils. I have a list below this video too, so you can click on each one and read more about them, see which one might be a good fit for you. But I wanted to teach you how to make your own stress and anxiety blend with maybe what you already have in the cupboard. So we have three of my favorites: frankincense, palo santo, and red mandarin. And it's really simple, guys. All you really need is like a 10 ml or 5 ml empty essential oil bottle. Even if you have like a bottle that, you know, is all used up, you could still even make a batch in there, you know, in a pinch kind of thing. But how I like to start out is equal parts. So you're going to do, for this one, we're going to do 10 drops of frankincense. 10. And then 10 drops of palo santo. This is a great anxiety oil. And 10 drops of red mandarin. Red mandarin is a great stress and anxiety oil, and it'll also brighten up the aroma a little bit, so it's not too deep and grounded. Okay, so we got 30 drops of oil in there. So in a diffuser, you're going to run like 5 or 6 drops at a time. Or in these car vent diffusers, you would put like 5 drops in there. So this is like 6 runs. You know, you can always make a larger batch if you want, but start smaller. And then what you can do, actually, even before you put your cap on, is run it under your nose, take a nice deep inhale, and if you go, ooh, way too much palo santo, or ooh, way too much of this or that, then you can play a little bit and get it to where you want it. And keep in mind too, in a 24-hour period, your blend is going to change a little bit. It settles into itself. It usually gets better the next day. So anyways, happy blending. If there are those of you out there that really don't have the time or don't want to make your own blends, we also have our Release Anxiety blend that has ylang ylang and frankincense. So this has been one of our big sellers for a long time now, so that's a go-to if you don't feel like making your own. But I wish you all great health and stay de-stressed, and we'll get through this together. Thank you.